Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Enable location and connect a reliable VPN set to the country you want. Once done, force stop Google Play and clear cache and data so the store will redetect region. Make sure your device time zone matches the VPN country. Mismatches cause detection failures. Then open Settings, Accounts Google, and confirm the email tied to Play. If you have family or subscriptions, note them. Some transfers can be blocked. This gets the Play Store ready to accept a new country profile. Next, create a new Google Payments profile for the target country so Play Store can switch your country. Visit Payments. Google.com, choose Settings, then create new profile and pick the country that matches your VPN. Add a local payment method or supported alternative and enter a valid local address. This is why VPN plus matching address matters. Make sure billing details are correct because Play uses the payments profile to determine country. Errors block the change. Once saved, Google may take a few minutes to a couple of days to propagate. Finish by opening Play Store, tapping Menu Account, and selecting the new country profile that appears in the Country and Profiles section. Choose it to switch. Then restart the app and check that apps, prices, and billing reflect the new region. If you can't switch immediately, wait up to 48 hours or sign out and back in after ensuring your VPN and device time zones still match. Troubleshooting tip. If the country option never appears, clear Play data. Reconnect VPN or create a fresh Google account set to that country and migrate essential apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.